What's up and good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. I don't know if we might have done a good evening at some point. Well, as a lot of you have noticed, I have not posted a video in the longest span I think I've ever gone not posting since I really started taking this YouTube thing seriously. And first off, I gotta thank all of you guys that have reached out. Well, some of you reached out, some of you were mad that I wasn't posting. Some of you left some funny comments, which I always do appreciate reading a funny comment or two. But yes, guys, it has been quite some time since I posted a last YouTube video. I think at most I missed like one YouTube post, and at that point it like drives me insane and I feel horrible that I've missed it. I stress out about missing YouTube posts, and this time I think we're on what? 4 or 5 videos that I have not posted, which I was curious to see how long it would take before people actually started to like realize I wasn't posting, because sometimes YouTube unsubscribes you guys from my channel. Sometimes YouTube doesn't send you guys notifications. Some people don't realize, even though they follow the channel for the last like 5 years, that I post, well, currently I post 2 videos a week, every Monday and every Thursday, with the odd exception if something happens and we have to kind of push a video back or whatever. Some people are always like, hey, there's no Monday video, not realizing like there's supposed to be a Monday and a Thursday video. But that's like a totally whole other point. Just kind of been interesting to watch on like my side of things as to like what people are starting to realize as time has gone on. So yes, guys, I have not posted a YouTube video in quite some time. And first of all, everything is okay, right? Like, you know, Ryan's happy, healthy, nothing catastrophic happened, nothing major happened. In fact, I'm currently at the house or at the ranch, and well, let's see, we just threw a little tri-tip on. We're getting that smoked up right there. You know, for the most part, things are good. Now, don't think that I've just been sitting at home doing absolutely nothing, including not making content for you guys, because that I have not been doing. I've actually been super busy trying to knock out a bunch of different projects, most of which I cannot film or just didn't really make sense to film. So typically when that happens, I would try to like force some content just so there's something for you guys, because I hate letting you guys down. But this time I'm like, I don't want to try to just force crappy content out just so there's a video for you guys. And trust me, this has been stressful for me over the last what, 4 or 5 days of not 4 or 5 videos of not posting, which is again a couple of weeks. But it's kind of been like the perfect storm, no pun intended, but kind of pun intended, of why I haven't actually had YouTube content. So as you can see right behind me, it is stormy again. It is currently sprinkling on me, and well, that hinders a few of my projects. So with having just so many stormy days and rain delays, that kind of put off the Rhino Ranch luxury shed project. Plus we were waiting on the material and the roofing material, so that project is kind of put on hold because we can't do anything on the interior until that whole thing is dried in and has a roof on it. Then I actually bought a really cool attachment for my tractor that I'm so excited to show you guys, and it's gonna be a huge addition to the ranch. But that thing hasn't shown up yet. It was supposed to show up a week ago, and it hasn't shown up yet. So there was another video that I had lined up ready to go, and that didn't happen. And then there's another truck, basically a new to me truck that I would like to go get, but I don't have my trailer because my trailer is 10 hours away in Sacramento, and I can't go get it without that trailer, and there's no point in driving all the way up there to get the trailer to come back. Like, it would just be way too much of a hassle. So there's 3 videos, like video ideas, whatever, content that I would have had for you guys that like, there's just so many circumstances that kind of put those off to the side and I didn't have them. And on top of all that, again, I really had a lot of projects that I needed to get done, and this whole filming thing, as much as I started out loving to film stuff, it can get in the way sometimes of progress when it comes to finishing projects and wrapping things up. So I had to just put the camera down, and again, this is the wildest thing to me because I have never gone this long in the last I don't know how many years without filming, and I'm not gonna lie, it kind of felt good for a second, guys, like to just live my life not on social media. And that being said, I have been trying to post on Instagram so you guys can see like I'm alive, like nothing crazy happened. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's probably the best way or place to see me like regularly posting. If you don't see anything on YouTube, go check out Instagram. I'm probably still like uploading stories and Instagram content and all that. It's just this YouTube stuff, it's long form, right? Back in the day, everybody wanted like a 7 or 8 minute YouTube video. Then it switched to a 15-minute YouTube video. Now everybody wants 30 to 40-minute YouTube videos, which a lot of you guys don't know, but that actually takes sometimes 2 to 3 days to actually get like a decent amount of content to make a 40-minute video, and that's a lot of work. And not that I don't know what I'm getting myself into by doing this whole YouTube thing, right? I've been doing it for enough years to realize, like, I know how much work goes into putting out content. You know, there were definitely the, like, dance monkey comments of people being like, yo, like, where's our content that we demand from you for free? And every once in a while, those comments get a little bit annoying because what a lot of people don't realize is, yes, you do make money on YouTube, and you can make a decent amount of money. I'm not one of the big boys that makes millions of dollars off of my YouTube videos. In fact, pretty much every single video you see me filming at the ranch, I lose money on if we're building something out here. The material costs in the videos, the labor costs in the videos is actually more than what the videos make. So when it comes to like, let me try to force myself to build something real quick to make content, if it's something I don't really need, it makes it a little bit difficult knowing that I'm just constantly losing money on stuff like that. And not that I'm complaining, because having a platform to, you know, put out videos and content to you guys and my ideas and my thoughts and all of that is the coolest thing in the world. It's just, I want people to realize like it does get very, very expensive to do. And so stuff like, you know, the Rhino Ranch apparel, the Work For It apparel, all of that stuff, it helps offset a little bit of the cost. Thankfully, I have a few sources of income. Otherwise, you know, this whole YouTube thing, at least on the scale that I'm trying to do it with the big old ranch projects, it just like, I'd be bankrupt very, very quickly. So I am anticipating with hopefully this week, some things are gonna start popping off, right? We should have better weather after today. I'm hoping we have the material for the shed project to continue. My attachment should be here this week. I'm not gonna go get that other truck this week, but hopefully things start to line up. And I don't want to call it my vacation is over, because here's what's crazy. So right, so say I want to take a week off of like filming YouTube videos. So there's 2 videos that I have not filmed, right? Monday and Thursday. Well, now if I need a video for next Monday, I couldn't really take that week off, because at some point in that week I had to film the next video for the next week. So there's really no vacation to this whole YouTubing thing. There's definitely days where I'm like, you know, 9 to 5. That sounds kind of good. You get paid vacations, and once you clock out at 5 o'clock, you don't have to worry about the world anymore at that point, you know, or work or anything like that. That does sound good sometimes. But I feel like most self-employed people like myself, I feel like we have these thoughts a million times a day. Just like most people that are employees and work for other companies probably have the same thought of like, I need to get out of here and go work for myself, right? The grass is always greener, which by the way, the grass is looking phenomenally green. Yes, it does need to be mowed, but so one good thing about all this rain is everything is just beautifully green.
Dog, check this shit out.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm at Walmart, dog. Bro, check this shit out. Hold on. Hold on. Dude.
Dog, is that a spaceship?
Dude, we're pulling in the parking lot, and I'm like, babe, look at this. She's like, look at what? I'm like, you don't see the blimp on the van?
That's pretty sick.
Dude,
there's a bed in there.
I need that. Well, I don't know if there's anybody in this thing.
That thing is sick.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dave needs to get one of these. Is there like a kit? Do you have to like make it yourself? Is that all custom? What is that? There's a bunch of people in the parking lot taking pictures of it. I love it.
Don't mind our little commercial interruption there with Dedic showing that wild van, but we got like, there's a whole nother series about that man that's gonna be coming. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff that's coming, but again, it was like the perfect storm of like this weird lull in all of it being available to me to film. So this whole long outage of videos was not planned. Otherwise, I probably would have made an update video for you guys. I hate doing these. I don't ever want to be that guy that like disappears so I can make a comeback video or like try to create fake drama like some people were trying to do in the comment sections. Like I don't ever like to do stuff like that or videos like that. I thought I'd like take a week off, get caught up on all the stuff, have the stuff I need for the new videos and be good to go. But here we are at, I think, week 3. We've got the puppies that want to say hi to everybody. What's up, Gunner? You want to give everybody an update? Gunner doing good. The horse is doing good. All of the other animals are doing good. Shoot, I forgot to mention, we might even have some more animals coming to the ranch. A lot of stuff that's probably going to be happening very soon. So stay tuned, guys. There will be some new videos dropping soon. Speaking of videos, I actually have a video. I'm probably going to get in trouble for this. We went and filmed, and I was basically, after I had filmed it all, like cautioned that I cannot upload that video. Otherwise, I guess if the wrong people saw it, some very bad things could happen. And none of it made sense at the time, still barely makes sense to me. I think in an effort to keep it from the wrong people seeing it, we're gonna make it a members only video. I filmed this like, shoot, 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago at this point. So if you guys are members of the channel, I think it's like a couple of bucks to become a member of the channel. I'm going to be posting that video this week. And if you want to join the channel, I believe there is a link in the description of this video. So just click like more info or whatever. And I think all the way at the bottom, it shows you where you can sign up to become a member of the channel. And that's where I'm going to actually post this video. I'm probably going to get in trouble for posting it because I was told explicitly not to post it after I filmed it. But you know what? Sometimes you got to be a little bit of a rebel to get the people the content they want. It was a great video, at least I thought. Like, it was fun. I had a blast filming it. So I will have that coming out for you guys. And then again, hopefully we get back onto our regular scheduled programming. Right, Gunner? Yeah, the people missed us, buddy. I think they missed you more than me, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, you're the most important guy here. Yeah, you're so happy. I know, you're so happy. You're a good boy. Do you think everybody should go buy a Rhino Ranch hoodie? Shook your head no, but we're gonna say that was a yes, Gunner. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button because we're gonna continue on. You guys are the best. Sorry for leaving you guys hanging for so long. Again, follow me on all my other social medias. If there's ever something like this where, you know, I kind of go MIA on YouTube, I'm usually consistently posting elsewhere. So you guys, again, know that I'm alive. But again, thank you guys. We'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.
Damn.